Hello, everybody. I have a wild cat on my neck.
Oh no! Mommy,
What?
wild cat on the neck.
We're bored.
On the hand's neck.
My computer or microphone or something has a bad lag.
Yeah, kitty, mommy.
If anybody knows how to fix that, please tell me.
Okay. What does this one like to do?
So, is anyone else doing anything fun today?
Yes!
It's Sunday.
I'm loving it, Mommy.
Name this one.
Smokey.
That's a boy's name.
Smocha.
This is a girl.
Smocha latte.
You are so
Smocha
beautiful.
latte.
Oh,
Get
dear.
it?
Mommy.
We found 3 wild kittens under our steps.
And there was 2 more under the slide, but
And there was 2 more under the slide that we have
we
over
don't know
there.
where they're at.
They're under the shed, Mommy.
They're gone somewhere. Oh, speaking of which, it's right there. Pulling his little head out.
Oh, sorry.
Can we have that one too?
No, that's a boy.
I don't care.
They're a boy. Oh, kitty.
My mom doesn't like boy cats.
No, they stink.
Throw this one up.
She's sexist.
You got this
She's
cat.
sexist. Yeah.
Mommy is so horrible and she doesn't. Give me my cat. No, I'll give you that cat. I'll give you
So,
that cat. She's a
here comes the mom of these kittens going to attack us.
Okay.
See how calm they are? They're just awesome. They love us all.
I love this one.
I'm keeping this one.
That's a baby. I thought that was the father one. The black one.
No, these are Tazzie's little daughters.
Huh?
I'm sorry, we have nothing to do. There's nothing
These are Tazzie's daughters.
I decided to do.
Has
I can't think of anything.
Mm-hmm.
And you should.
But I might go
And that
somewhere
black one.
with my friends
And that black one,
sometime and
Mommy.
have a little,
I
just a
know the
crazy
black
day
one.
doing
Black one's
anything.
not, Mommy.
Oh, look at them. Oh, darling, they are so cute. Oh, do you see them? They're coming out of the sun.
Oh, I like the striped one.
No, tiger.
He's tiger. Oh, they run away.
It scared them.
We love
Oh, why
cats,
is that
as you can see. This one keeps meowing at me.
I love this one so much.
Effie, you do not know how to hold a cat. That one's all balled up and like eyes are popping.
Where is this balled up?
Well, you gotta kind of like hold them close to your heart. They can get under your chin and feel safe. This one just doesn't want to settle.
Look, Hi, kitty kitty. Hi, kitty kitty. Oh, this one there.
I love them
So
all.
that 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7.
You're so cute.
It's hot out here.
Oh, I know. Tazzie's daughter's
Oh, yeah, put this one down onto the ground.
Oh, why?
Oh.
Let's see. Can we see them?
Look at that one down, Mommy.
They're adorable. They're like little mini bunnies.
Kitty.
So,
Kitty. Ow.
I'm probably going to go to bed after this because I'm really tired.
No sleeping.
Yes.
No.
Sleeping is good for the young body.
Kitty, kitty.
Hey, at least she doesn't have to babysit. Like Puffy does.
What, man, a babysit these cats?
Come over there. Don't love that one, okay?
I do
Oh.
love it.
Scared. She's scared.
What was that?
What's in the bowl?
Well, I'm going to go. If any of you guys want to chat with me on Facebook, look up newteen143 at AOL.com. I'm the person. No, I have a
Oh, no, look what he did.
cover. What?
He put it in your Naruto card container.
Oh, wow. Definitely looks uncomfortable. Anyway, I have a picture of a little post sticky note that says "Kill Me Instead." It's from a book called The Good Guy. I love that book. So, bye everybody.